motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, you have subliminal.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
40 hertz. We say A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That consists